Hey, everyone! In today's video, we're tackling a common and frustrating issue. Some websites not loading or opening in any browser. We've all been there. You're trying to visit a website, but for some reason, it just won't load. It can be incredibly annoying, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore the possible reasons and solutions for this problem. First things first. Let's check the basic settings. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a misconfigured setting. Head over to your computer's settings. You can open the settings by clicking on the Windows button at the bottom left corner. And then you will see gear icon at the left side of the screen. Simply click on it to open the settings. Once you are in the settings, you will see multiple options. From these, you will see an option that says Network and Internet. Simply click on it. When you click on it, Network and Internet settings will be open in front of you. Now, make sure you're connected to the correct network and that your internet connection is stable. If everything looks fine here, the next step is to check the proxy settings. Now, on the left side, you will see various options. From these, click on the proxy. Under the proxy tab, ensure that use a proxy server is turned off, unless you specifically use a proxy for your network. An incorrect proxy setting can prevent websites from loading properly. Now, let's move on to another common issue. That is DNS settings. The DNS, domain name system, is what translates web addresses into IP addresses. If there's an issue with your DNS settings, it can prevent websites from loading. So, to solve DNS issue, again click on the window button at the bottom left corner, and then search for ncpa.cpr, and then select it from the results. Once you are in, now, you will see multiple line cards. From these, select your main physical adapter. In my case, my physical line card is Ethernet. Once you find your main physical adapter, simply right-click on it. When you right-click on it, a menu will appear. From the menu, click on the last option, that is Properties. When you click on it, a small format will appear in front of you. Now, here you will see multiple small options. From these, you will see an option that says Internet Protocol version 4. Simply double-click on it. When you double-click on it, a new small format will appear in front of you. Now, here, you have to check that option that says use the following DNS server address. Once you select it, now, you will see two fields: Prefer DNS server and Alternate DNS server. First we will work on Prefer DNS server. So, we click on it and type 4 times 8. Once you're done, now, click on the second box that is Alternate DNS server and type 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. Once it's done, now, click on the OK and then close the window. Now, if you're still facing problem, then don't worry, because I have one more method to solve this issue. Now, again click on the window icon at the bottom left corner, and then search for SEMD, and select it from the results. Once you are in the command prompt, now, type ipconfig /flush DNS. Once you type it, hit the enter button. When you hit enter, this will clear the DNS cache and might resolve the issue. Another potential issue could be with your browser itself. Make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can sometimes have compatibility issues with certain websites. Now, if you're still facing problem, again don't worry. I have some bonus methods. First, open your browser. Where are you facing this problem? Once you are there, clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can do this by clicking on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then from the menu, click on the Clear Browsing Data. Once you are in the Clear Browsing Data settings, now, you will see an options that says Clear Browsing Data. Simply click on it. and then delete your browser cache and data by clicking on the Clear Data button. Once you've done this can solve a lot of loading issues, as cached data can sometimes cause conflicts. Also, try disabling any extensions or add-ons that might be interfering with the website loading. You can do this by clicking on the 3 dots at the top right corner, and then from the menu, click on the extensions, and then clicking on the Manage Extensions. And now, from here, you have to disabling them one by one to see if the problem resolves. If none of these solutions work, it might be a more specific issue with your network or even the website itself. Try accessing the website from a different network or device. If it works elsewhere, the issue might be with your network configuration. Lastly, don't forget to restart your router. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many connectivity issues. And that's how you can fix some websites not loading/opening in any browser issue, by following these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.